Hey guys, Bubby here. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus. And this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. It's very nice, very sleek. The shade that I am in is light 1, as I am pretty pale. So I got my coffee. Let's get started. Okay, it is now, I believe, like 12:30 or somewhere around there. I'll have to go check. I also got my hands on the new Anastasia. It's really great. I am going to do a full day of wearing this. Now, let me see what the reviews say. I'm going to go to Ulta.com because it was typically there for hitting Morphe stores. So, okay, it says, best filter ever. It is oil-free, skincare infused foundation that delivers a natural finish for healthy looking skin. Okay, it's 40 shades, medium to full coverage, is buildable, and it says it'll last. It's transfer proof, waterproof, sweat proof, and lasts for 12 hours. It's the best filter you will ever have. Alrighty. Now, I'm not going to look at any of the reviews because I want to see what I'll think of this. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started with it. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Step 1 Primer. And I'm just going to put just a little bit on my problem areas. Like right here, in my T-zone, mostly. And by the way, this is natural lighting. By the way, I already have my sunscreen and my moisturizer on. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for a while. Now, I think before I put on my foundation, I think I'm going to set my face first with the Professional Super Setter. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. It's supposed to be really good for your pores. Now, mine has been leaking a ton and I have no idea why. So I would definitely recommend to keep it kind of sitting up instead of on its side because it's been leaking everywhere. But it's honestly, it's a really good setting spray. I'm not a fan of the way it smells. But I'm also wondering why they have 2 caps. Maybe that's the reason, because the packaging does leak. I'm so dry right now. Okay, let's see exactly how it feels. It also did come on the Ulta website. It came with this free Morphe brush. It's the Morphe E63 brush, which is, it's a pretty nice brush, honestly. Like, it kind of tips over and up, which I think would do really nice if you just swipe and then go over with it. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Alright, it kind of has the Milani concealer and foundation. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But if you look at it, doesn't it kind of have that tip of it? Put one pump on my face to see how it goes. It kind of has that paint smell to it, which is not bad because the Kat Von D's always smell like that. Her foundations. And now this is what I always deal with on my nose. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look how bad that is. Now, instead of applying more product to it, I think I'm just going to try and blend it out with my little brush. Oh yeah, that did wonders. It's the Morphe JH08 brush that I typically like to go around my problematic areas with a tinier brush. See, look how much that saved the nostril. It saved the nostril. So, I always love doing that, especially around my nose area, which should have done that in the first place, but I wasn't thinking about it, so. I would definitely not even say it's of a medium coverage. It's so very light. See, and I've already had to use 2 full pumps on my face. I'm just dipping into a little bit of it, and then I'm just going to go over my nose real quick. I'm just going to add just a little bit more foundation on the areas that I think just did not get covered very well. I'm going to take that small brush again, just going over those areas. Okay, I wouldn't say it looks bad. It is just a tad bit drying on the face. It completely dries down very fast, so I would definitely say you don't really have time to work into it very fast. So definitely work into sections and then go out. Work in a section, go out. Work in a section, go out. It dries very, very, very fast. I am starting to think that this is a matte foundation. I'm going to see. Positive. It is. It's a natural finish. But, it's very drying on the skin. It's not bad, honestly. It's not a bad foundation at all. I could see myself continuing to definitely use this. It does look pretty nice on the skin. It is just a little bit dry. It does look a little drying on the skin, just a little bit. Even when I go like that, it's not too bad. I would definitely, yeah, I need to go just a few shades darker, but it's a very nice foundation. It does feel a little bit drying on the skin, not bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so I am back. My camera is just about to die, so I might move in. So I might move to my phone, but this is what the finished look looks like. It's very beautiful. Alrighty, so I'm going to be going the whole day and showing you guys exactly what this looks like at the end of the day. So I'll see you guys then. Bye! Hey guys, sorry I kind of cut you guys off so quickly because my camera was like beeping like, Marie, get the fuck off of this damn camera. So I'm gonna open up this to show you guys exactly what it looks like in... Oh, I'm so dry. See, this is what no, see, like, when I first put it on, it looked good, but, like, now that I'm looking at it, like, in natural lighting, look how dry it clings to. Like, especially this area, it's so bad. And I moisturize and wash my face every single day, so, I don't know. It doesn't look too good, but we're gonna see within a few hours or so, I'll be back and I'll show you guys exactly how this looks. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm trying to find a better lighting. I'm positive this will be it. Yes. Okay, so I've been wearing it since 12:30. So I've been wearing it for about 9 hours now. I have to say, it's nowhere near good for, oh gosh. It's not good for people with dry combination. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like, just like this whole area, look at it, completely got off my nose. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's just, it's not good. I think if somebody has oily skin, it would do a lot better for them. But for me, it's not good. See, like, okay, like that's like excusable because I just ate, so it's whatever, but it's not something that I would buy or probably wear on a daily basis. I'm just being honest. Like, my all-time favorite matte foundation is the NARS soft matte one that they just came out with they just came out with it like a few months ago. It's beautiful, one of my favorites, but this one is just not working at all. Like, no matter what, that always happens with each foundation. I just can't keep it on me, honestly, but it doesn't look very good. Because then I have like this weird patch where it just clung to the rest of my face. See, because I don't have it on this side. But anyways, I'm gonna sit down now. I'm on top of the couch to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So I'm gonna sit down like a normal person. Woo. Okay. So what I was saying is that, like, yeah, it's just like, it looks really good in this lighting, but like up close it looks terrible. It doesn't look good at all. And the reason why I haven't been wearing lashes either is because I've been reusing the old ones and it's just not good anymore. I have to buy new ones. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I love you guys. Good night. Bye. Make sure to